मॉर्निंग ओडिशा।
पहाड़ है, बहुत अच्छा पहाड़ है और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं चिल्का लेक घूमने। तो चले चलते हैं, बंद कर रहे हैं।
Morning guys, here we are at the Chilika lake and वो दिख रहा है आइलैंड, दिख रहा है वो आइलैंड, वहां पे जाएंगे अभी हम लोग। दिख नहीं रहा क्या? और ये ठंडा है और वो बड़ी सी डॉल्फिन हमें उधर देखो, अंदर चली गई और वो शार्क भी है। Basically we are on a boat। अगर भैया इधर देखिए थोड़ा सा, यार देखिए, हाई कर दीजिए ऐसे ऐसे। नाम क्या हुआ आपका?
तूफान।
हाँ तूफान, तूफान ड्राइवर भैया तूफान की तरह इसको ले जाएंगे उस आइलैंड पे, लेकिन 1100 मांग रहे हैं। ब्लू है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 सानी, आ जाओ on the beach here photo, so silence, peace, silence. That's the beach. Exactly, we are on the beach. Sorry, it's not a beach. It's the largest Chilika lake. Feel the smell. Close your eyes. Count 12. That's the whole thing. Very positive vibe. So silent. Blue है पानी 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 पानी। सारी 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 आ जाओ ऑन द बीच यार, फोटो मेरी खींच, फुट्टी किस पर तो अभी नहीं उठ रहे, भारी है। उठा लिया भाई। We are back guys with this, finding peace at this lost village. Everywhere green and every other plant, sorry, tree is coconut. This was a neem. But many of the trees are coconut. Morning to this amazing jungle in the forest of Amazon. Okay, the thick forest. Amazon ही है ना? हाँ, Brazil के. Yeah, Brazil, yeah. And you can see that there are pythons. Okay, and soon we will get tigers, some tigers, and lions also. And it's an amazing forest because you know, there are a lot of mountains and forest mixed, so it's something like trekking, and also you just get mixed feeling of forest and mountain. And recently we had just gone to Chilika Lake, which is in Amazon, Brazil. Okay, लोग वापस इंग्लिश छोड़ के भोजपुरी पे आते हैं, ठीक है? तो बात हम लोग आप लोग को उल्लू बना रहे थे, ऐसा कुछ अमेजोन में नहीं है। हम लोग अमेजोन क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग? तो हम लोग हैं यहाँ पे उड़ीसा में है, ठीक है? तो उड़ीसा में हम लोग आए हैं घूमने थोड़ा सा।
अब ये जंगल वंगल में
जंगल उंगल में गाँव में जंगल उंगल में आए हैं, तो सोचे थोड़ा देख लेते हैं, हरियाली देख लेते हैं। और वो मशरूम देख सकते हैं आप, मशरूम है और बहुत ही अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके। यहाँ पे शेर वगैरह भी देखेंगे तो और भी अच्छा लगेगा।
अबे शेर मत।
So we are back guys once again, and now it's really peaceful time with all greens and heights. Or I'm little, you know, tired, walking and walking, holding the camera, speaking. Yo Joginder, Thara bhai Joginder. And you can see the straight from there we are going. We are going to try. Basically here the journey starts. The tough trekking, you know. So we are trekking like 45 degrees. Not 45 degrees, and it's like not a specific route there, so maybe there be something unusual. Yeah, so my shoelace, I'm not feeling like to tie up. That's so, oh my goodness. It's very hard to trek while holding your mobile phone. Finally guys, we are on the top top of that. Oh my god. Nice. After the tough trekking, we got the reward. This beautiful scene of Orissa. Yeah, you can see there the lake Chilika Lake, or you just see the beach part, the Bay of Bengal you can see. Okay, you can see that the western part, not western, it's eastern part of the India. How beautiful, incredible India. And I have to go wrap. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned. Ah, my goodness. Let's feel something special. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yeah. Open your hands. And of course, take your tongue out and taste the air. Yeah. It's so good. It's so, what did I say, sweet. And I have to go up all the time. These mountains always teaches you. The more you go up, more you do hard work, you will get more success. You will there are people under you. So, and hear the sun. Just be quiet. Listen to the sound of air. The energy that's coming directly to your body. I feel relaxed. Nothing to do. Zero tension. It's like and it's heaven. Had a train, ships, air. You know what?
मेरे फोन से एक ले ले।
अब मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, आप खुद ही देख सकते हैं। बस मन कर रहा है यहीं पे बैठ जाए, यहीं पे तंबू वंबू लगा ले, घर बना ले।
लगा लो, कोई नहीं रोका है।
You can see the view. It's terrific. It's Titanic. It's great.
क्लिक करके थोड़ा देर रोकना, ठीक है?
It's like you can see the tower over there. Like how men walk on heights.
बस इतना बहुत है।
My goodness. It's like it's my first time and I should do the forest. I'm sorry, guys. Like they had to. And the sun, there's even a perfect shot. Trees, nature, eye, camera, vlogs. What else I am? Nothing. I want. All spot of God is on me. Thank you, God. Thank you. And peace. This peace. No fights. On a country of this, country of peace, you say. Let unite together. Let health together. Hashtag SAHYOG SETU. Let's bridge. Let's put hands together to make a bridge of helpness. Let's make the society better to live. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much. Here we are back to the pond. And you can see the fish, the blackfish. Actually they are carnivorous fish. They're eating something non-veg, you can see there. Yeah. And that's helped to clean this pond. No, actually it's a basic culture you can see here. You can see the thread in between. Yeah. And here the owner of the pond making tea. Yeah. मेरे को भी glass. And it's good to see you. You can see, hey fishy. Fishy. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसकी पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकाले मर जाएगी। ये आपका तालाब है? आपका नाम क्या हुआ? आपका नाम क्या हुआ? अच्छा, ऐसे हाथ हिलाइए, ऐसे हाथ हिलाइए, ऐसे करके, हाँ।